Go ahead on, baby.
Get right there. Hold it like that.
Handling this big old boat. Turn, look. Oh, Lord, where y'all going? Leaving you driving. Y'all hold it right now. Hold it.
Hello.
You got it?
Just waking up, getting moved around.
Go, Leah.
Well, goddamn it, you tell me what the damn shrimp at. Shit. All these boats, the big boats, making fucking 6-hour drags for 30 pounds.
Dang. Captain Leah, you handling this? You doing better than Vaughn. Vaughn was sick.
I was driving the plane. Like riding.
Nah. My sister, I'm on here.
Yeah,
okay,
she
let
pretty.
it go.
Let it go.
Let it go, Isha.
That's Leah.
Yeah, we
not
can't
Isha.
get a dog. Take a handful of
Wait, he just said you gotta let it not so tight.
Yeah,
You gotta keep driving, girl. Don't be crashing
Turn
me.
back that way. Go that way. Hey, Bill, let me call you when I get tired up here.
This way?
Nah, I came into Mayport and we're gonna give it a day. That northeastern finna kick up and we coming right back out.
Okay.
Okay, how much? He's still $1,000. The boss man will come get it. They're putting out juice. Okay, is he there? Is he there?
I hope you're going the right way. Do we need to turn that way?
Okay, yo, he at the fish house. I'll call him, or I'll call him at the house and find out, and the boss man will come pay him.
How did letting the baby drive?
Okay, then appreciate it, Bill. Sleeping.
Get behind.
Yeah, sleeping.
Get some good footage.
All right, I give you a call back. All right.
No, I can't get no good footage right here, Vaughn. Get up, Mama.
Hey, Bill, Gerard, guess what?
What?
We'll be putting the generator in here. He said, all you gotta do, I don't need your help. I pay somebody else to help me.
Oh, now you talking about
Help me lift the winch down. All I do is put that bitch down and put a fuel line to it and plumb a air hose.
Slow your roll up off.
Nah, you just said you ain't no mechanic.
I ain't.
Hey, Vaughn was a generator mechanic in the Army.
Yeah, all I do is put it down.
He was a generator mechanic in the
Then why the
Army.
hell
Keep that running.
That was his MOS. He was a generator mechanic.
I'm out there. He see me going in and out that door trying to get to a regular jump running.
He know about as much as he knew when he went in there. Well, that was his job. That's what they told him he did. Fix generators.
I was a grunt man. I was on the ground. Front door. I was on the ground with the rifle, 249, and
Turn it that way. We're going over there with them boats at.
This way?
gun
Yeah.
on the truck on M-Raps.
Oh, boy, I'm tired. I tired. Oh, that Vietnamese told me, I tired. You ain't did nothing.
Come, baby. She driving this boat. Oh, don't turn it too far, huh?
We're going towards them boats.
You gotta go back towards the boat. Drive it like you're driving your go-kart. Turn it back the other way.
This way?
Towards them boats over there.
Hey, Miss Knight, Robert Earl home?
Yeah, turn.
I'm turning.
Turn some more.
Police is everywhere out here.
Turn. There we go. Take it to the boat. I don't know how
Don't
hard.
turn it too hard. It's not like
it.
a car.
Oh.
You turn it too much and you go the other way.
Okay,
Come on,
yeah.
go back that way.
Okay.
That's what I was doing.
Yeah, me too. I'm trying to get it over there. Look like we passing it.
Hey, you said the generator. Bill called me and told me you said the generator was done. Okay, and it's putting out juice.
Which boat we going to? Oh, I thought it was them boats.
Okay, well, I'll call the boss.
Yeah. Oh, we up there. Okay, we going to them boats up there, Leah.
All right, let me call him. All right.
Show y'all where my baby driving to. She taking it for the parker on side of them boats. And I better hurry up and try to get this thing. We getting close. She's doing it too. Kinda gonna have to buy this boat.
Can you park it?
And we better slow down?
Okay, I got you.
Okay. Well, I'll take over.
I got you.
Good job. High five.